Sparkle here. What have we got here today? Feels very heavy. It's 3 round-shaped cylinders. Not sure what's in this. Today is Sunday. It is the Queen's birthday long weekend, and the weather here is absolutely miserable. Good time for diamond painting. Anyway, we'll get this open. It's wrapped really, really well. It's got straps on it. I'll take those out from under there if I can get them out. Alrighty. Now it looks one more up here. I'm sorry if I've got shadow in this today. We haven't got any sunlight coming in here at all, and I have got the overhead lights on. Anyway, let's see. So for today's unboxing, I'm going to unwrap one and we'll see what we've got. The other 2 can be done at a later date, so I'll pop them over there. Get the scissors and I'll run it down here. How is everybody today? You're all having a great day. My husband's just gone out for a walk, and this parcel's just arrived, so we'll see what's in here. Now, what is this? Oh, this is beautiful packaging. It is from Create, Love, Share, and it is a premium diamond art painting kit. Very well wrapped. We'll get it out of the plastic so we can have a look. Very well wrapped. The scissors again. The mail for this was delayed a little bit. It's taken a wee bit longer to get here. The company is in Sunshine, I think it's Sunshine in Melbourne, and this one is called The Colour of Life, and it is a square. I'll take the cap off. As I said, beautifully boxed and packaged. I'll get everything out of here. Lots of colours. So on the box it is rolled canvas, coloured coated drills, premium tool bag, pen and grip, drill tray, wax caddy, bulk applicators. And down here is the choking hazard, and it is just beautiful and shiny. Really shiny, the box. Alright, I'll put the colours to one side. We'll have a look at this toolkit. It's a sealed bag, and it comes with your tray, which is stamped with Create, Love, Share on the back there, which is great. Comes with a squishy and your pen, blue pen, 2 places, and one just fell off. Excuse my head in this for the shadow. So this one is not marked on it. I think that could be about a 7 or a 10, might not be quite a 10, and a 4, and a little tub of white wax with their logo on the top. So that's just great. That's beautiful. All right, I'll put this to one side and we'll get the canvas out of the bag. Now, if you go down to the description box at the end of this video, you will see that there is a coupon code for customers who order. They use the coupon code to get 15% off. We have got it up the right way. I'm going to roll this out. I'll take that out for a minute. What we might do to get it to relax is roll it the opposite way. Now you can do this with poured glue, but please don't try to do it with double-sided. It could wreck your canvas. Just a little bit stiff, the material on the back, but it's all in beautiful condition. All right, let's see how we go now. Alrighty, now this canvas is an 80 by 60. This is also, I'm going to have to roll this the other way as well. Okay, and I'll pop that there. So you have a picture in the right hand corner. It's Create, Love, Share, and it's the Colours of Life, and it is a Chuck Pinson. So here you have your instructions on how to do this. If you need customer support, there is a email you can send to them there, and then this is your index. So you have your number, your code, and your DMC. So that is 48 colours in this kit, and you have your legend on the left bottom, over that way, over this way, and also up here. Now there are no ABs in this. They are, I think, planning on trying to get ABs into their kits. And of course it is an Australian owned company, so I like to promote Australia where I can. We have a waterfall, which is down here. We have the deers, and I'll bring this up closer to the camera, and we have a house here. So I will be putting ABs in these, the windows of the house where the lights are on. I'll probably also put some in the water here, and definitely some in the red and the yellow. Now there's the red over there too, of the trees. Now we'll do a sticky test. Yep, very sticky, very good. So this again is Chuck Pinson, 80 by 60 or 31.5 by 23.6. So an absolutely gorgeous canvas. I've never bought from this company before, but I would recommend their canvases. They are trying to get more artists on board, so we'll see how they go with that. Now I'll just take these colours out, and we can have a look at the colours and go through them with you. Excuse all that crackling. Oh, this is just superb. Great big long length of strands. I probably won't be able to put these back in the box, will I? Okay, we'll start off with this one. 905, 900, 829, we've got double trouble there, and 817, we have 2 of, 815, 2 of, 814, 2 of. We have a 783, and we have 2 779s. We have a 742, a 741, 733, 730, 720, 666, this is Coffee's favourite colour, and 581. Now these are square drills. I cannot see any escapees from other bags in the drills. They all look quite clean, and I can't, as I said, they're clean and I can't see any rubbish. Maybe a little bit there, but they're just beautiful. Alright, so that's one strand. Have another one here. 553, 498, 453, 451, 434, 2 bags of 413, 2 bags of 400, 318, 2 bags of 317, and then we have 4 bags of 310, 2 bags of 167, and a 161 and a 160. And then we have a short one here, which is 3862, 3860, double trouble, 3855, 3854, 3853, and 3852. A long string left. We have 3830, 3823, 3821, 3799, 3787, and we have 4 double 371s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3042, 3033, 3032, 3031, and we have 3938. So 1, 2, and 3. We have 936, 921, and 2 bags of 919. And as I said before, I've been looking at them as I have gone through them. Cannot see any rubbish. They're square drills, so they all look, there's no bits off them. We will check the black ones again, because sometimes the darker colours do have, and they're very hard to see. but I can't see any rubbish in these. They all look excellent drills. I think I'm going to be very happy with this company. I know I am going to be very happy with this company. The canvases have come in lovely condition. As I said, they do wrap them and they put them in a cylinder, and then they seal them with the plastic. All three were tied together with the ties. And the toolkit, well, that's just a beautiful idea with the wax in a container, as I showed you before. It's just a nice touch. And with the two places, and you get the single tip on the pen, and a lovely little plastic bag. And of course, as I said before, they do have their tray branded, which is also lovely, very nice. So, I'd like to know what you think. I was very excited when this came, and I just think it's a beautiful, beautiful canvas. And it is a Chuck Pinson. And all their artists, they are really good. Now, I'll probably do the other two. I'll do one day and one the next. As I said, there's a 15% discount down in the description for anybody who'd like to have a look or purchase one of their canvases. I am also excited, yay, because I've become an affiliate with Create Love Share, and they're my first affiliate company. So yeah, thumbs up. Now, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up today, or a comment in the comment box down below. Or you can subscribe to my channel by hitting that bell, and you'll get notification when a new YouTube comes in. Now, if there's anything else you need to know about the company, you can get online, or you can ask me in the comments. As I said before, it is a stiffer canvas on the back, but that's not a problem. That's just great. It has got scalloping around the edge, which stops it from fraying. It is plastic covered. Try not to take, if you're thinking of pulling back the cover, these are just, they're nothing inside under the canvas there. But if you wanted to pull that back to flatten it back out or let it relax, make sure you don't take the plastic right off. And if you do lose track of what you're doing, just put a sticky circle on the top of your plastic so that you know this is the right way up. Never try to put your plastic back on without doing that, because if you put it on the other way up, it's not going to be pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this. Again, the canary was singing in the background there. A lot of people have said they like to hear him, so we'll let him go. And that is the actual picture that is on the canvas. And as I said before, it has got 48 colours, but I will be adding some of the ABs in places like the windows, up in the red and the yellow up there. Now if I can get it a little bit closer, I'll see if I can pick it up so you can have a look. And we'll go up this way. Just got to be careful I don't hit that camera. There's the deer and the log cabin, which will come up really good with ABs in those windows with the light shining. And then if we come over this way a little bit more, we have what looks like a rotunda and the trees. So it's just gorgeous. I heard of this company on another YouTuber's channel, and I thought I'd give them a go, seeing as they're in Australia. Their delivery, if you spend $75, is free delivery in Australia. So well worth the while looking at their channel or going on their site. And I think that's about it for today. I think I've told you everything. As I said, I'm now an affiliate. Woo! And there is that coupon where you can get 15% off. So have a great day, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed this. And we'll see you again when I do the other unboxings, which will be in a day or two. And we'll do one at a time, I think, because they're quite big, and I'm sure you want to see them properly. So have a great day, and you take care. Stay COVID safe here in Victoria. Wear your masks, and we'll talk to you again soon. This is Sue Sparkle. Bye.